Now let us see how to set up Tomcat and Eclipse to run servlet programs. Download Tomcat 10. Open this first link. Scroll down to binary distributions. Here we are using Windows, so download 64-bit Windows chip. Extract it to C drive. Extract files. Select here C drive. OK. Go to C drive. You can see Apache Tomcat here. Open bin folder. You can see here startup.bat and shutdown.bat. To start the Tomcat, we have to run startup.bat file. Open the command prompt. Go to Apache Tomcat bin folder. cd Apache Tomcat. Go to bin folder cd bin. Now we can start Tomcat startup.bat. Here we got there Java home not set up. We need JDK and Java home needs to be set up. Let us check JDK installed or not here. Java E-version. JDK is not installed. Install JDK. Download JDK 21. Click on this first link. Scroll down to Windows installer. Here you can see Windows 64-bit installer. Click on this link to download Windows installer. Double click on this file. Click next. After completion of the installation, we need to set up the Java home. If we set up the Java home properly, then only Tomcat will start. Installation successfully completed. Close it. Go to program files. Inside the Java, you can see JDK 21. Copy this Java home path. Go to environment variables. Inside that system variable, paste this as Java home. OK. Click OK. Java home is set up now. Now you can start Tomcat. Close the terminal and open the new terminal and again start the Tomcat. It will start now. Startup.bat. Tomcat is started now. Now Tomcat is up and running. To check that, open the browser. Type localhost. Tomcat default port is 8080. So localhost 8080. Now you can see Tomcat is running. To stop this, you have to run the shutdown.bat file. If you refresh this page, we cannot access Tomcat now because it is stopped. Now let us download Eclipse. Eclipse JE for Windows. Go to this third link, eclipse.org. Click this download link. Scroll down to Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developers. This one, download Windows 64-bit version. Click this button. Eclipse download started. Extract it to C drive. It's done. Go to C drive. Here you can see Eclipse. Click this eclipse.exe. It is loading. Just wait for some time. This is the default workspace. Keep it as it is. Go to File menu. New Dynamic Web Project. Project name Hello World. Select runtime Tomcat version 10.1. Create new local server. Next. Browse the Apache home folder. Apache Tomcat. Select this folder. Finish. Click Finish. Click on this restore icon. Project Explorer open. Go to servers. When server is set up, it is stopped. Open this Hello World project. Go to src main. In this Java folder, create new servlet. Right click new. Here servlet is not showing. Select other. Scroll down to web. Here you can see servlet. Click next. Class name Hello World. You can see superclass HTTP servlet here. Click next. Click finish. Here you can see auto generated code. We don't need all of this code. Let us remove unnecessary methods. Just accept this doGet method. This is the URL pattern. Let us make it hello. This URL pattern will be used when client request with this URL pattern. Server will serve this Hello World Servlet. Let us make font little bit bigger. Text font, edit, select font size 16. First, set the content type. Response dot set content type method. Let us set HTML content, text / HTML. Let us create print writer object, print writer of equal to response dot get writer. Here we got the error. Import this print writer out dot print line. Let us write some content with h1 tag. Welcome to servlets. Close the h1. We will discuss this program in detail in the next class, but let us see whether it is running or not. Now server is stopped. Let us start the server. Server is started. Now go to project folder. Right click, run as, run on server. Select the local server. We have to send the request with the URL pattern, so type hello here. Now that servlet is giving the response, welcome to servlets.